मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसले से उड़ान होती है। Hello everyone, this is Munmun Hara from Watson Institute. I welcome you all to the special static GK class which I had designed for all the students who are preparing for the competitive exams. So let me introduce you with the syllabus which will cover in this playlist. So this will be our syllabus, the topics which we'll cover over here. First is the basics. Second one will be the states and capitals. Third will be the physical geography, political structure. Fifth one will be the important places, culture and the heritage, economic basis, world GK, organizations and miscellaneous. Right? Let's move to the next slide. See, this is our Indian flag, right? So we'll also talk about Indian flags, each and everything. See, India's location, size, neighboring countries, national flag. We'll study about the national flags and about the national anthem, national songs, their specialties, their features, national emblem, right? National animals, national flower, important dates, and capitals and currencies. The next one is, see, we have total 28 states and 8 union territories. Okay? Now, we have so many key points or so many things to remember, that which is the largest state. The largest state is Rajasthan. Smallest state is Goa. Most populated state, population-wise, it is Uttar Pradesh. Okay? Now, let us see which is the newest UT is Ladakh. States capitals Lucknow, Jaipur, Mumbai, right? And the special names of the states and their capitals will learn many things according to this. See, Pink City, Golden City, State, City of Nawabs, all this will cover in this playlist. See, now the third topic which we'll study will be the physical structure or physical geography. Here we'll cover about the mountain ranges which we have, rivers, see, river, desert, plateaus, longest coastline, each and everything, islands, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The next one is political structure, which I had told you. We'll understood about the things that how many that prime minister, president, how the prime minister is appointed, how president is appointed, what are the key points of the governors, each and everything, why union territories are formed. Each and every union territories has its own feature why they are made. We'll study about the parliament, Lok Sabha, Supreme Court, High Court, each and everything over here. The next one is important places over here. We have so many heritage places over here which are also listed in UNESCO. Each and everyone has their own valuable things, right? We'll study about the culture and heritage. See, the dance forms over here, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, Odissi, Kuchipudi, Manipuri, Mohiniyattam. Also learn their features over here. See, these are the key points which we'll cover. We'll study all these topics in detail over here. Economic basis, currency, industries, agriculture, each and every key point will be covered over here. Currencies, RBI, major banks over here, which we have in India, major industries, IT sector, textiles, India's world 5th largest economic GDP, but according to the current of 2026, India is on the 6th largest GDP economy. We'll study about the agriculture employees, white revolution and green revolution. Here are the world GK, the topic, the 8th number topic, it is world GK. Eiffel Tower, World War, Statue of Liberty, Big Ben, each and every topic which are famous in the worldwide will cover that. The next one is, see, that how many continents do we have, how many countries we have, what are the oceans, how many kind of oceans over there, and the organizations, UNO, UNESCO, WHO, ISRO, DRDO, IMF, WTO, NATO will study all these organizations in detail, how they were formed, who all are the hosting these, and who all are the members of this will cover in this organization topic. The next one is, see, their full forms are given over here. UNESCO, Education and Culture, their headquarters are also given over here. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Space Research Organization, headquarters of ISRO is in Bangalore. Now let us see the miscellaneous. In miscellaneous, we'll cover the static portion, in which we'll study about the Bharat Ratna, Padma Awards, Nobel Prize, Olympic Golds, Arjuna Award, each and everything's awards will cover in this. Now, the basic motto of why we have made this playlist. We have made this playlist for the students. Why we have made this playlist of static GK? It is planned and designed for the students who face problems in static GK. Why we have designed this playlist? We have designed this playlist for the students who face problem. What the problem which they face? They are always afraid of static GK. No, it is difficult. हम कैसे क्या सारा कुछ learn करेंगे? No, it is not difficult. It is easy. हम लोग जैसे जैसे किसी भी चीज को समझते हैं, if we'll study about the mountains, students बोलते हैं मैम इतने सारे mountains हैं, हम कैसे learn करेंगे? They have their own different features. So we'll cover each and every topic in this playlist in an easy and a simple way without having any kind of difficulty. I guarantee you that after completing this playlist, you all will be thankful that you have learned the static GK in very easy way with a less time. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class, where I'll cover the topic number 1 of neighboring countries, size and location of India.